Hello friends, welcome to my channel, myself Parag Jambulkar. In this video, we will see different functions provided by string class in C++ programming language. In last video, we have seen there are two ways to create string. One way is by using array of characters and second is by using string class. This string class is provided by namespace std. As string is a class, there are many methods or functions defined inside string class. These methods or functions can be used to perform operations over the strings. In this video, we will see some important functions provided by string class and also we will see some examples. So see, here I have listed out some functions and also I have written one program. Here you can see. So all the functions that I have mentioned in this Word file, so all functions I have used in this program. Here you can see. What we will do, we will see what are the different methods and also we will see how to use them in program and also we will see output. So see, first we will run this program. So we will compile it first. Okay, no compilation error. Enter any string. So see, suppose I am entering my name, Parag. Press enter. Okay, so this is the output that we got from this program. Now we will go step by step. First two methods are length and size. Length function returns the length of the string and size function, it is used to find size of the string. Technically both are same. Both functions length and size, they return same value and that is number of characters in that string. Generally, this size function is used in STL, standard template library, and it is used to find out length of any container. So same function is also defined inside string class and length, it is particular to the string class. For any string, we can also use length function and also we can use size function, and both these functions will return length of string, that is number of characters in that string. So see, in program those will be called like this. Str is an object of string class. Here you can see str is an object of string class and this string class is provided by namespace std. Okay, now see here what we have done. We are accepting one string from the user and that we are saving in this object str, right? In previous video we have seen if user enters any string, so that string we can allocate or we can assign to any string object by using scene object, right? So in previous video we have seen that. In this video we will see one more way. So see, we can save any string that is entered by the user by using getLine function. So see, for this getLine function we have to pass two parameters. One is scene object and another is string object. So whatever the string that is entered by user will be assigned to this string object by using getLine function. Now see, str is an object of string class, right? So how can we call methods? So see, this is object name, right? So we can call this method by using dot operator, right? So see, here we are calling length function and also we are calling size function, and already I have told both these functions returns number of characters in that string, right? So here you can see. So what string we have entered? Parag, right? That is my name. So we have entered string Parag. String entered Parag, right? Length of the string 5, size of the string 5. Why 5? Because in this string there are 5 characters, right? Okay, now see. Third function, swap. So from the name only you will come to know this function is used to swap values of two strings, right? Okay, we will see example. So see what we are doing. Here we have defined new object with the name strnew, and to this object we have allocated one string with the name Ramesh, right? And in this str already we have saved one string Parag, right? Now see what we are doing, we are swapping it. So see, by using str object we are calling swap function, and to this swap function we are passing one parameter, that is this new string, right? So see, this two string will get swapped. So see, in str previously it was Parag, right? Now new string that will get swapped, that is it will be Ramesh. In output here you can see string after swapping is Ramesh, right? Previously there was Parag, but now it is Ramesh. Why? because we have called swap function. Now see, next function resize. So from name only we will come to know this function is used to resize any string. So see, this function is used to resize the length of the string up to given number of characters. So see, for any string has some size or length, right? For example, Parag, what is size? 5, PICT 4, right? Suppose we want to resize it. So that can be done by using resize function. We will see one example. So here you can see, for str we are resizing it to characters 3, number of characters 3 or length 3, right? Previously it was 5, right? Previously it was 5 because we have entered string Parag, but now we are resizing it to 3. So see, again here I am printing length of the string after resizing, okay, and then we are printing that string. Okay, we will see output. So here you can see length of string after resizing 3, right? So see, here we have resized it, right? That's why length of the string 3. And what is that string? Ram. Why? Because see, previously we have swapped with the string Ramesh, right? Now we have resized it for number of characters 3. That's why first 3 characters are AM. That's why new string that will be Ram only. So see, in this case, str string we have resized it for 3 characters, and that's why here we got output Ram, right? RAM, first 3 characters. Okay, now we will see next function. Now see, next function is push underscore back. This function is used to push the pass character at the end of the string. So see, whatever the character that we are passing as a parameter to this function, so that character will be added to the string at the end. And next function pop underscore back is just opposite to push underscore back. So see, new character is added into string by using this function push underscore back, and whatever the last character is there, that last character is deleted, removed by using pop underscore back function. Here you can see this function is used to pop the last character from the string, right? Okay, now see, in program we will see, in str there was Ram, right? In output we can see, in str there was Ram, right? Now see, what we will do, in the string we will add one character at, right? So previously it was Ram, now we are adding one more character at, but where that character will be added, it will be added at the end of the string, right? So previously it was Ram, now it will be Ram at, right? Okay, here we are printing it, right? Then again we are calling pop underscore back function, right? So what it will do, it will remove character from the last, right? So what is the last character? At, because see, here we are adding one character at, and that recently added character we are removing it by using pop underscore back function, right? Okay, so now we will see output of this statement. So here you can see string str after push underscore back Ram at, right? So previously in str string there was Ram, right? Now Ram at, right? Okay, now see string str after pop underscore back. So whatever is the last character that will get removed. So see, this at is getting removed. That's why string will be Ram. So see, again if you call pop underscore back, so yum will get removed. Again if you call pop underscore back, then a will get removed, and at the end r, right? So whatever the character is at the end or at the last, that will get removed by using pop underscore back function, and new character can be added by using push underscore back function. Now see, next function, that is find. This function is used to search for a certain substring inside a string and returns the position of the first character of the substring. So see, from the name only we will come to know, it is used to find position of any substring inside the given string. So see, what we are doing, we are finding position of this substring, that is AM. So already we know in our string there is Ram, right? So what we are doing, we want to find out position of this substring AM, right? So see, in output we will see. So here you can see position of AM in str is 1, right? Because see, our string is Ram, right? So indices starts from 0, right? So R is at 0th index, A is at first index, M is at second index, right? So position of AM starts with index 1, right? So this substring AM starts with index 1 because R is at 0 A is at 1, right? So see, here we are finding position of substring. Suppose if we want to find out position of any character, so that also we can do. For example, see, suppose I want to find out position of A only. So what I can do? I can mention character like this. So now find function will find out position of character A, right? Okay. So see, we have written like this. Next functions are front, back and add. So see, front function returns first character, back function returns last character, and this add function returns character at given index, right? So from the name only it is clear. Front returns first character, back returns last character, and add function returns character at particular index. So to this add function we have to provide particular index. So here you can see. So what we are doing, we are printing one message, first character in str, and see here we are calling front function, right? Then second line, last character in str, and here we are calling back function, right? Okay. Then character in str at position 1. Suppose we want character in that string at position 1 or at index 1. So see, to this add function we are passing index 1. So any index we can pass as per our need. So look at this output. Our string in str is Ram, right? So see, first character in str R, capital R, right? Last character in str Yum. Here you can see Yum is the last character. Character in str at position 1. So see, indices start from 0, right? So R is at 0 position, A is at 1 position, and Yum is at 2 position, right? So index 1, what character we have? A. That's why A, right? So in this way we can use front function, back function and add function. Now we will see some special functions. Those are used to iterate over a string. We can go character by character and we can find out all the characters in the string. But here we have to use one more class, and that class name is iterator. Here you can see iterator is a name of class, and this class is nested class of string class. See, again I am repeating, iterator is a class and this class is a nested class of string class. What is the meaning of this? Iterator class is defined inside string class, and that's why here it is written by using scope resolution operator. Okay, what is the use of this class? Here we can create one object, and by using some functions we can iterate over any string. So see, here we are using function begin, then we are using function end, and here we are using pointer. So this iterator object can be used just like pointer. So see, this asterisk operator normally we are using along with the pointers, right? But here we are using it for the object of iterator class. Here you can see this begin function returns iterator pointing to the first character. Now see, next end function, this returns iterator pointing to next to the last character. Now what is the meaning of this? See, this function begin function will return iterator which is pointing to the first character in that string. Then end function, this end function will return iterator, but this iterator will point next to the last character. See, again I am repeating, it will point next to the last. So see, what we are doing, we are starting from this iterator which is pointing to the first character, and we will run this loop till the end of the string, right? Till the end of the string. And what we are doing, see, iterator will point to the first character. In second loop, iterator will point to the second character. In third loop, iterator will point to the third character, right? We will go till the end of the string, and see that character we are printing on the screen, right? Or we can use for some other purpose also, no problem. And here what we are doing, in every iteration we are incrementing this iterator object. So here you can see we are incrementing iterator object. So see, again I am repeating, iterator are used just like pointer. Here you can see, here we are using it just like pointer, and here we are incrementing this iterator object just like pointer, so that it will point to the next character. So see, we are initializing it with the iterator pointing to the first character, then loop will run, right? Condition, definitely it will get false. Then we are printing that character, we are incrementing iterator object, right? Then second character, because see, it will get incremented. Now iterator will point to the second character, right? Condition, it will check, then it will print second character. Again we are incrementing iterator, right? Again after that we are checking condition, and the third character here we are printing, right? So basically these functions along with iterator class, we are using them to iterate or to track any string. We will see output. So here you can see value of iterator. So first character, right, R, then second character A, and third character M. So for any operation, if we require any particular character, so that we can do by tracking complete string or to iterate over any string. Clear function. So from the name only we'll come to know this function is used to remove all the elements of the string. And see another function empty. So this function is used to check whether any string is empty or not. So this returns boolean value, right? So if string is empty, so it will return boolean value true. Now see, here we are calling clear function, right? So that string will be empty, right? Now see, here we are checking whether string is empty or not. So already we have cleared all the content from the string. So definitely string is empty, and because of that it will return true, right? So we will get message string is empty, right? So here you can see in our output string is empty, right? String is empty. Now see next function sub str, and this function is used to find out any substring. Here you can see this function is used to create a substring from the given string, right? By using this function we can create substring. Now see question arises which substring we want, right? From which position we want, and after that position how many characters, right? So these values we have to pass to this function as a parameter. So here you can see here we have one object str2. To this object we have allocated one string, that is Jambulkar, right? Now see from this string, that is str2, we are finding substring, right? Which substring we want? That substring should start from the index 3, and the second parameter is number of characters after that position. So see third position. So what is the third position? See J is at 0 position, A 1, M 2, B 3, right? So see we want substring from the B. How many characters? 4, right? So see B first character, H second, U third, and L 4, right? So our output should be B H U L. So what we are doing, from any string we are generating, we are creating one substring, and that substring we are allocating to some another string, right? So to this str3 we are allocating substring BHUL. We will see in our output. So see substring of Jambulkar starting from index 3 and total 4 characters, right? So see what is the output? BHUL, right? It has started from the index 3, and this another parameter, that is number of characters from that particular position. So after third position 4 characters. So that's why we got substring BHUL, and that substring we have allocated to str3. Okay, now we will have last function. So see this function name is compare. So from name only we'll come to know this function is used to compare any two string. So see this function is used to compare two strings and returns the result in the form of an integer. So see if we are comparing two strings, if both strings are same, so see comparison result will be 0 because both the strings are same. If two strings are different, then it will return one integer which is equal to difference between ASCII values of those characters. So see for this we will have an example. Look at this. So see we are comparing two strings. One is str2. So already we know in that string we have assigned Jambulkar. Another string str3. So in str3, so already we have seen what is the string is saved, that is substring BHUL. So we are comparing those strings. So we know that those strings are not same, right? So see if both the strings are same, so that value will be 0. This compare function will return 0 if both the strings are same. But if those strings are different, we will get ASCII value difference, right? In this case we already know str2 and str3 both the strings are different, right? And that's why this value will be false, and because of that we should get output both strings are different. Okay, here we can see in output both strings are different, right? Because see in one string str2 there is Jambulkar, and in str3 there is this substring BHUL. Both the strings are different, that's why we are getting this output both strings are different, right? So in this way we have seen different functions provided by string class in C++ programming language. This Word file and program code I will provide in my Udemy course. You can download it from the resources. Okay, so we will meet in next video. Thank you.